Up here in McCall is a cozy little bookstore called Barn Owl Books, and it's home to lots of books, including one about McCall's legendary lake monster, Sharlie. I'm your neighborhood reporter, Brady Caskey, introducing you to the author behind Discovering Sharlie.
Jenny and Liv were the best of detectives. Their clients had rated them highly effective.
Idaho author Craig Vroom put pen to paper to tell the story of McCall's beloved Sharlie through the eyes of two young detectives.
It's a girl detective agency called the Lucky Penny Detective Agency. And they got a call from Scotland, from an inspector at Scotland Yard. And he says, we haven't seen Nessie, that's what they called the Loch Ness Monster. We haven't seen her in years. Can you come out and help us find her?
So he wrote the journey of the duo on the hunt for Nessie and Sharlie.
I've got big bluish whales and fast flying fish, Aberdeen albacore who eat from a dish, Highlander herrings that really get messy, but I've never, not ever, had a creature named Nessie.
His book is now a staple at Barn Owl Books, where I met Krista Brown.
Discovering Sharlie is a wonderful children's book, and I think not just for children, it's just a fantastic story.
Brown says their store serves as a community hub, especially during the Winter Carnival.
So we love Winter Carnival. It's probably one of our favorite times. It's so much fun to see so many new faces and visitors.
With this year's theme being Where in the World is Sharlie? Their store is full of books, stickers, and plushies of the legendary lake monster.
We searched far and wide for Sharlie and found Sharlie here, so you can have your own Sharlie to take home when you visit McCall.
Though the plushies came from Scotland and the detectives traveled the globe, for the folks up here, all roads lead to McCall.
Roam, gnome, wherever you roam. These are not places that Sharlie calls home. It turns out she lives in the best place of all, in a very deep lake in a town named McCall.
Craig was just reading a portion of his poem he wrote for this year's McCall Winter Carnival. You can find the full rendition of his piece in this story on idahonews6.com, and that's where you can also find our full guide to the McCall Winter Carnival. We'll be here all weekend long leading up to Saturday's Mardi Gras Parade. Come say hi. I'm Brady Caskey reporting for Idaho News 6.